This is a
Just grab one lemon. They're all the same. Who's eaten something that was grown in a backyard or at a farm? Oh, everybody's got to put their hands right. Food comes from the farm.
Now you turn the steering wheel. Look out here and you see the wheel. See it move?
Yes.
Can she eat meat, baby?
And no, she doesn't eat meat.
It's better for Mother Nature. It's better for the environment. We cut down on all the bad things from driving and fuel.
Hatch into baby chickens, and you have to have the rooster. But the eggs that you get from the grocery store are not going to hatch.
Okay, my friends, grab your rings.
That lake is so big, it's bigger than Lake Casitas, Lake Piru, and Pyramid combined. It is so big, it's bigger than all those. So we are actually able to put a lot of water and store it in that underground lake.
Go see your teacher. Line up with your teacher.
Just a reminder, next time you eat ice cream, eggs and ice cream.